Today I'm gonna add the SSD for 250 gigabyte to my Lenovo Yoga 520. But before we insert this, we need to see how long the time it takes to do booting. Check it out. Around 1 minute and 5 seconds. So let's add this SSD into this laptop. First we need to shut down the laptop. So this is the inside of Lenovo Yoga 520. So you need to clean this first. This is the hard disk drive, the battery, and then RAM, and this is the slot for SSD. Let's open this. Okay, so after we move everything to the place, we need to clone the C drive to the new SSD. For how to clone that C drive to the new SSD, I put the link to do that in the description. And let's see how much time we need to boot the Windows on the new SSD. So it's under 30 seconds. Before we use HDD, we need more than 1 minute, but now it's under 30 minutes. So if your laptop still use HDD for booting the Windows, I suggest you to add the SSD to your laptop. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.